Hi guys, and welcome to Excited for Coupons. I'm going to be sharing with you some deals, but don't forget, in the description box are going to be any of the available printable coupons that I'm mentioning on this video. So let's get started. When and while is going to be, you will get 3 ECB when you buy 10. So here's an idea. You could buy the foundation that costs $5.99. Buy one of the eyeliner that costs $1.49 and 2 of the lipstick that cost $2.39. If you have any of the coupons that deduct 3 off 12 for any cosmetics, you could use that. You will pay $9.26, but you get back 3 ECB, making it $6.26 or 157 cents each. This is a very good printable. It's a rare printable that is 3 off 1 cosmetics. I'm doing a deal scenario for this upcoming week, but if you were able to print that coupon, you could use it on this current deal that is going on right now that ends on Saturday, and you will save even more. So what you could buy is, so purchase 2 of the lipstick. In my store, they're $6.29, but and the deal is going to be buy one. The other one's going to be 50% off. So that's why you see the prices are different. So you will see one for $6.29, one for $3.15. Your total will be $9.44. You could use that coupon deducting 3 off 12, and also to use 2 of those printable coupons deducting 3 each. So your total will be just 44 cents for both items. If you don't have that CVS coupon that is deducting 3 off 12 for cosmetics, you can still do this deal. But the total will be $3.44 or $1.72 each. Like I said, this printable coupon is really good, but you should use it more on this current deal that is going on right now. Dove is also going to be buy one and get the other one at 50% off. But in addition, if you spend $15 or more, you will get a $5 ECB. So here's an idea. You could buy 4 of the Dove Men Care item, and it is for $5.99. So you will pay 2 for $5.99 and 2 for $2.99. So your total will be $17.97. Use 2 coupons that we're expecting this Sunday on the Red Plum, deducting 3 off 2. And it will deduct $6. So you will pay out of pocket $11.97. But you will get back 5 ECB when you spend $15, which it did qualify. So your total will be $6.97 or $1.74 for each item. Another idea could be the Dove hair care is also buy one get one 50% off, but this one is you will get a 5 ECB when you buy 3. So what I did was I purchased 4. Is a better deal if you purchase 4. So your total will be $17.97. Also in the Red Plum, we should be getting Dove coupons for the hair care, deducting 3 off 2. So you use 2 of those, so you'll pay $11.97, and your total will be $6.97. This one is also buy one get one 50% off, and if you spend $15, you will get 5 ECB. So what I did was I'm putting 2 of the lotions. Make sure that they're 20.3 or more ounce, and I will explain why. So they cost $7.99, and also get 1 of the lip that costs $3.99, so we could reach the $15, and which we did, $15.97. Use 2 coupons that will deduct $2 each, that is on the Red Plum 128. So you pay $11.97. You get back 5 ECB at the end of your receipt, so the total will be $6.97. If you want to save even more, you can sign up to Fetch Rewards, which you could use my code. Using my code, just for signing up, you get 2,000 points. That means it equivalent to $2. And for this offer, you can submit your receipt. As you can see in the yellow, you will earn 1,000 points. So automatically, you will get 3,000 points. And you only need 3,000 points to redeem to get a $3 gift card. And some of the gift cards that you will see includes CVS. So if you're purchasing any Vaseline lotion, just buy 1 of those that qualify the limit, and you will even get a $3 gift card, which is even totally a good deal. This is another great deal. Buy one and the other one will be 50% off. But you buy 4, your total will be $18.57. Use 2 of the coupons, buy one get one, but the coupon does say buy 1 of the shampoo, and I think you will get the conditioner free. If they deduct the total amount of $6.19, then they'll deduct, your deduction will be $12.38. It all depends on the store. Sometimes the store deducts $6.19, sometimes they'll deduct $3.10. So let's say they do deduct the full price, then you will pay $6.19. So you will get back 5 ECB when you buy 3. You should check your checkout 51 before, because I did see this item, and today I'm not seeing it, but it's still showing in the database that there should be a checkout 51 offer. If there is, then this item will be free. But just check out your app before doing this deal. There's going to be a few items, as you can see in the picture, buy 3 get 3. So here's an idea. Since we're getting a coupon this Sunday for 50 cents each, just for one item. So what you could do is buy 3 of the Fiji water. It'll be $3. Deduct 3 of those coupons. It will be 50 cents each. So you'll pay $1.50 or just 50 cents each item. If you're able to get the 1 liter or a little bit higher, then check out 51 because they're offering a rebate, but it has to be for a specific size. I'm sharing you this deal if you have early activation, meaning you're able to do the deal Saturday night, because the coupon does expire Saturday. So if you're able to do that, here's 2 ideas. You could buy 2 of the towelettes for $6.79. You pay $13.58. Use 2 of those coupons, so you pay $9.58, but you get back 6 ECV this time, and your total will be $3.58 or just $1.79 each. Or since you could mix and match, you could buy 1 of the towelettes from Garnier and 1 of the L'Oreal cleanser. Your total will be $13.78. Use 2 coupons, deducting $2 each. You pay $9.78. You get back 6 ECB. So your total will be $3.78 or just $1.89 each. Purex is going to be on special for $2.99. That's already a great deal on its own. But here's how we could make it better. You could use a coupon deducting 50 cents from Red Plum to 11. And so you pay in the register $2.49, but you get back $1.50 ECB, making this just 99 cents. Before selecting the item, make sure that you do see this offer in your savings star. So there's going to be a savings star for the Glade candles, and there's other offers for the Glade, so that's why you're going to see it twice. You could buy 4 of the 2 for $6 and you pay $12. There's no coupons needed, but you'll get back 4 ECB. Submit it to savings star. It should go automatically from your receipt, and your total will be $6. If you want to know which products qualify, open the app from Savings Star, scan the item, and it will tell you if it qualifies or not. So that's a good way for you to know for sure. Another great deal is mix and match. You could do 2 of the candles and 2 of the scrubbing bubbles. So they're all for $3 each. You could use 2 of those printables from scrubbing bubbles, so you pay $10.50. You get back 4 ECB. Submit to Savings Star for the Glade item, and your total will be $5.50. Maybelline has 2 deals, buy 2 get 6, and also it has a separate deal just for the Total Temptation items. So here's an idea. If you have early activation, since this coupon does expire on Saturday, buy 2 of this item for $3.99. You pay $7.98. Use 2 of those coupons and you pay $5.98. You get back 6 ECB in this case, and it will be free. If you want to purchase the Total Temptation and you also have early activation, you could buy it for $9.49. Use that coupon that deducts $3, so you pay $6.49. But you get back 3 ECB when you buy 1 item, so your total will be $3.49. The Covergirl deal is buy 2 items, you get 5 ECB. So here's 2 ideas. The first one is buy 2 of the Covergirl concealer for $5.99. So your total will be $11.98. Use 2 of those coupons that we should be getting this Sunday in the smart stores, deducting $2 each. So you pay $7.98. You get back 5 ECB when you buy 2, making it a total of $2.98 or just $1.49 each. Another idea is buy 2 of the lipstick for $5.99, so your total will be $11.98. You could use 2 coupons, deducting $1.50 each. So in your register, you will pay $8.98. At the end of the receipt, you will see a 5 ECB back, making this a total of $3.98 or just $1.99. There's so many items you could choose from K Beauty, and I think this is a really good deal. You spend $20 and you get back 10 ECB. So here's an idea. What I put together was, if this is included, they have some nice masks for $2.49. These are 2 that I was able to see for firm or shrink pores. They cost $2.49, so your total will be $19.92. There's no coupons unless there is a specific one from CVS that you could use on this case. So you pay $19.92, you get back 10 ECB, and your total will be $9.92 or $1.24 each mask. If you still have your CVS coupon that we got last Sunday for any physician's formula, deducting 3, you could use it in this case. So you could buy 2 of the lipstick for $7.79, which your total will be $15.58. Use that coupon, so you pay $12.58, but you get back 10 ECB when you buy $14 worth of items. So your total will be $2.58 or just $1.29 each. If you don't have that coupon, you can still do this idea. So you pay $15.58, but you get back 10 ECB. So your total will be $5.58 or just $2.79 for the lipstick, the Healthy Lip. If you do have that 3 off coupon for Physicians Formula or just 3 off 12 for any cosmetic, this is another deal idea. You go buy the pressed powder. It costs $13.99. You could use one coupon that I mentioned, 3 off, so you pay $10.99 and you get back 10 ECB for spending $14. Your total will be just 99 cents for this item. The Colgate Total Optic is going to be on special. I'm going to be sharing with you 2 different ideas depending on the coupons that you do have. You could buy 2 of the toothpaste for $3.99, so your total will be $7.98. But you could use a coupon deducting 2 off 1. Use 2 of those. And also, if you did get a CVS coupon for Colgate, you could use that coupon too. So you'll pay $1.98 after all those coupons have been deducted. And you'll get back 1 ECB for each item. So in total, you get 2 ECBs, making this free. If you don't have that CVS coupon, what you could do is buy 1 of the Colgate for $3.99. You will deduct 2 off 1. So you will use 1 coupon, so you pay $1.99, but you get back 1 ECB but when you buy 1 item. So you'll pay 99 cents for the Colgate toothpaste. For Rimmel, you get 5 ECB when you buy 2. So here's an idea. Buy the Brow This Way, buy 2 of those. So your total will be $9.18. There's no coupons needed. So that's how much you'll pay, $9.18 in the register. You get back 5 ECB at the end of your receipt. So your total will be $4.18 or just $2.09 each. The deodorant Speed Stick is going to be on special. Buy 1, get the other one 50% off. But also, when you buy 2, you get 2 ECB. So here's an idea. Buy 2 of those. So your total will be $5.23. Use 2 coupons deducting 50 cents each, which we should be getting this Sunday. And also, if you have a CVS coupon deducting 1 off 5, you could use it on this scenario too. You pay $3.23, but you get back 2 ECB, making it a total of $1.23 or just 62 cents each. L'Oreal is also going to be on special. Buy 2, get 6 ECB in this case. So here's an idea. Buy 2 of the setting spray for $7.99. So you pay $15.98. Use 2 coupons, deducting off 2 each. So you'll deduct $4. So you pay $11.90 at the register. You get back 6 ECB when you buy 2 items, making it a total of $5.98 or just $2.99 cents each. Remember, this is an idea. I'm just trying to find those items that are a little bit cost less. But if you see anything else in your store that does apply with the coupons suggested, you could mix and match and make it work for you. So this video is a little longer because there was more deal ideas and I just wanted to share them with you since I think we do have a pretty good ad. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you're new, I hope you're getting excited to be saving at CVS, and I try to make it as easy as possible. If you have any questions, you can put them in the comment sections. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, I invite you to give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't done so, I invite you to subscribe to my channel. So thank you so much for watching, and until the next video, bye.